What's up folks, what I have here is a bicycle rear rack. I ordered this online from Lazada and the brand is Rockbros. You can also order this from Shopee, Amazon, eBay, pretty much, well, depending on which country you're from. You can use, it should be widely available. So let's have a look here, what else it comes with. So it comes with pannier supports for the bags, the struts and tools. You got the spanner and 2 Allen keys, nuts and bolts. You got these rubber inserts for the frames to protect the paintwork, and these inserts here, the rubber inserts for the seat post, reflector and cord to hold your item in place on the rack. Alright, so let me just show you how it's assembled. Okay, first we're just gonna put one of the struts in. So you've got to make sure that this strut would be on the inside, not on the outside, on the inside here. So you just get one of these nuts and bolts. Okay, you don't want to make that too tight because you still have to adjust it later on when you're fitting onto the bike. So just, firm enough. Now you want to get one of the pannier supports. So these would be sitting on the outside, maybe like this. Okay, easy, that's just one side done there. Okay, go to the other side. Alright, so here we have now, it's pretty much complete. So all we've got to do now is install it on the bike. So it's a lot easier to assemble this before putting it onto the bike. So alright, let's go. One of the 2 inserts, rubber inserts, you're just going to put the first one just inside like that. And you've got the second one here, so you're going to put that will go in front, like so. So when you close it, the inserts will be on the seat. So we choose to bolt and washer through, and we'll just throw in a bolt there. here's the shot. Here we have 2 6-litre bottles of water. Perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching, and keep you updated on some more tutorials.